I'm live on Facebook. Okay, Instagram, I'm not really going to look at you. You're going to get to look at the side of my head because I'm looking at the Facebook camera. Okay, so today's live is all about, hold on, get myself comfortable, is all about style refreshes and how to determine if it's time for you to have one. So something that I've noticed is that with this new year, which I'm so excited about, hold on, my Instagram cam is on this little tripod that's currently doing the splits and is just getting lower and lower and weirder and weirder. All right, that's a little bit better. So I'm so excited about the new year. Like, I don't think I've been this excited for a new year in a very long time. I think because it's also the start of the new decade that just has me like energetically jazzed. Like, it feels different this time. It feels very exciting. And I think a lot of people are feeling that energy as well. But the thing that's happening is because it's this whole like new year, new you energy, people are wildly trying to change themselves without any sort of plan or strategy or proper intention. So I've been noticing on my IG stories, the people that I follow, they're wildly cleaning out their closets. They've got bags and bags of things that they are going to donate and consign. I've been getting text from friends that they're cleaning out their closets, that they want to go shopping. Like, should I buy this? I'm like, dude, slow your roll. Just because the calendar changed doesn't mean that it's time to get rid of everything that you own and, you know, shop. I know that you want to capitalize on those post-holiday sales. Net-a-Porter is having a really good sale right now. I know that you're excited, but I don't want your emotions and this invisible time constraint that, you know, the traditional calendar has created for you drive forward these actions without setting up a proper strategy and intention. Because if you don't do that, this is what you do. And I'm sure you're all familiar with this cycle. I talk about it a lot, but it's this vicious style sabotage cycle that costs you a lot of money and it costs you a lot of time. So you decide it's time for a new me, new year, new me, new style, time for a refresh. So you walk upstairs to your closet and you clean it all out. You're like, don't need this. New me, don't need this. And everything's gone. And the issue is that with that is you feel this intense high and you feel this massive sense of accomplishment. But then it doesn't take but for a few weeks to go by that you really regret doing that. You're like, wait, where's that one shirt? Why did I get rid of that? So you always have regret just for that fleeting moment of accomplishment of like, yes, look at me, got rid of my stuff. Look how empty my closet is. I'm doing so well. Then when you realize that your closet's fucking empty and you don't have anything to wear, you need to go shopping. And right now there's like tons of sales, tons of good deals out there. Maybe you have a little Christmas money that you got and you're ready to go. And you realize, wait, I don't have a plan for the new me. So I'm going to quickly make a plan on Pinterest. We all love Pinterest. Pinterest, Yoji, stop it. Hey, you want to shut that little dog mouth of yours? Come on now. Yojels, stop. Threaten to spray water on him. Collect yourself, Messiah. Okay, so Pinterest is an incredible tool, and I use it all the time, and it can be great for getting your styles together. In fact, I'm going to do another live on Pinterest either on Friday or next week. I can't remember which day is which, but there is one on Pinterest coming soon. But the issue is when you're in this state of not really having an intention and being caught up in new year, new you, you just start putting anything cute on your Pinterest board. And you're not thinking about the future you. You're not thinking about your lifestyle. You're not thinking if you can actually pull it off. So you make this board because, again, you want to feel that false sense of accomplishment, that feeling of like, I am Rets to go. Let me open up my board. Let me do some shopping. You shop, you fill up your closet with all the space that you left for it during that wild closet cleanse, but it won't be very long. In fact, it's usually just a couple weeks, maybe a month, where you're back exactly where you started. You're like, oh my gosh, I need to clean up my closet. I don't have anything to wear. I should go shopping more. And you keep repeating this cycle, and it wastes so much time and it wastes so much money. So you have to break the cycle. Here's the thing about shopping and about developing your sense of style is no one ever taught you how to do it the right way. So you keep doing it the wrong way, thinking that it's going to be different this time. This time you're going to get just the right clothes, and it's not going to happen again that you hate everything in your closet and you have to clean it out and go shopping and do all this shit. But you've never learned how to do it the right way. So inevitably, you're going to be back into the very same position that you started. So how do we not do this? First, we need to determine if it's even time for us to refresh our style. Sometimes it's just a matter of you being lazy. Like, you could come up with banging outfits with stuff that you already have in your closet if you just took the time to actually do that. But in this culture of instant gratification of like, wow, I don't have this thing, let me just Amazon Prime it. I'll have it by tomorrow. The moment you feel discomfort in your style, in your appearance, you're like, I got to fix this shit. I got to fix it right now. Clean out this closet and go shopping. But if you actually got settled, you might not need to go shopping. You might have everything that you need in your closet already. You just need a new perspective and you need some new styling techniques. Or it could be time for you to refresh your style, but you need to understand that the process doesn't start in your closet. The process to getting a true refresh that's going to feel good and that's actually going to last a considerable amount of time, it does not start in your closet. It starts up here in your mind, okay? So the first thing that I want you to think about in determining if you actually need a style refresh or not is to first check your freaking motives. Like, do I just want new stuff? Am I bored? Or is it truly time for me to reach the next level in my life? Normally, when you need new clothes, like actually need them, unless all your stuff got, stolen or lost in a fire, like you never actually need new stuff. The only time you do outside of natural disaster is because it's time for you to reach a new level of your life. So here's a few good reasons that you might need a style refresh. Maybe you got a new job. Maybe you've had a lifestyle change. You're newly single, or you've moved to a new city. Something drastic has happened to the way that you function in your daily life that could warrant a refresh, kind of a rebirth in your outer appearance. Weight changes. So this isn't just weight loss. This could be weight gain as well. I'm never one to be like, oh, wait until you lose the weight to get new clothes. No, whatever body that you're in right now deserves to be dressed. It doesn't mean that you need to spend a fortune on it. Let's say, you've gained a little bit of weight and you're like, dude, I'm not comfortable in this weight. I don't want to stay in this weight. Well, don't stuff yourself into your too small clothes and use that as a motivation. Get some clothes that fit in the interim. You don't have to spend a bunch of money on them, but you need to refresh yourself for that body so you can get into a positive state of mind to change the weight into the weight that you want. If you've lost weight, that's a great opportunity to kind of refresh yourself and, unveil this new you. If the weight loss was done in a healthy manner, I'm not going to get into all the details of weight loss, but just saying weight changes could warrant a style change. And then also just new beginnings. And I'm talking legit new beginnings, not new year, new me beginnings, but, sorry. I thought I accidentally closed this. Sorry. Ignore me. Not new year, new me beginnings, but legit new beginnings. So I relate to the whole new beginnings thing because over the past few months, it's been like next level Lauren, where a lot of things have changed in my life. I'm working on some changes in my business. I've changed some relationships in my life. I've got these new meditations. Like, it's just been change over the past couple of months. I truly feel that I've been awakened to this new version of Lauren. So with that, it's going to come some changes in my style. Literally, I'll look in my closet and be like, I don't know who this person is anymore. It's not that I'm bored of the clothes. It's a literal, who is that? I'm not that same person anymore. So I've been working internally on getting super clear with who I am and what the next chapter of my life looks like before I ever get rid of anything, before I ever go shopping. Now, I've been percolating on this process within myself for months. So I have gotten rid of some things in my closet. I did a Facebook Live a couple weeks ago about getting rid of some high-end things right before the start of the new year. There was just things that I was hanging on to. I don't even know why. I got rid of them. But I have not started any extreme shopping. I haven't done anything extreme because the process is slower than you think. And once you set all of the building blocks up properly, the things you buy will be like amazing, and you'll wear them for years and years, and you'll feel really good about them. You have to have that awakened moment first to get really clear on your motives, and then you can get clear on a strategy to refresh your style in a very powerful and lasting way. So if you want to wake your ass up and see if you actually need to have a style refresh, then you're definitely going to want to be part of my Style Awakening Challenge that's coming in later this month in January. January 20th, this will be the third annual Style Awakening Challenge. This challenge friggin' rocks. It's free, it's 10 days long, and I take you through all of the internal, and we do some external activities. You'll get to play with Pinterest. You'll get to play with cleaning out your closet. You'll get to play with evaluating yourself and seeing if it's time to really upgrade your style. So that challenge happens every year in January. It's January 20th. I'm going to open the registration for the challenge on Monday, January 13th. So on the 13th, that's when I'm going to put out the link where you can join the challenge. Again, the challenge is free. There's no catch. It's free, and thousands of women have been through the challenge over the past 3 years. I'm getting really excited about it. It's going to be the best one yet, of course. So before you do anything crazy due to the new year, like cleaning out your closet or going shopping or making some, unorganized hot mess of a Pinterest board, just pause and wait, because your girl Lauren is going to guide you properly through the process starting on January 20th. So please be on the lookout in your email. Following me on social, I'll be placing links all over social media so you can join the challenge. It's amazing. There's a free community. You get a challenge guidebook. You get daily live lessons from me every day. And they're not public. They're only private for the people that are committing to being a part of this challenge. if you're like, I can't do the challenge every day, just join, okay? Just join. Just join. I email out the recordings of the videos, and just trust me, you just want to join. So no radical movements until then. I'm watching you, watching all your stories. If I see you cleaning out closets, I'm going to DM you and slap you, give you a virtual slap on the hand. So that's that. Ooh, yes. And on Friday, I'm going to go live at 10 a.m. and it's all about building a wardrobe you love using Pinterest. So I'm going to give you some tips to not screw up on Pinterest. That will be happening on Friday. And again, mark those calendars, January 20th through 29th, the 3rd annual Style Awakening Challenge. Get excited. Have a great day. And I'll see you live on Friday.